Good morning students. In last class we saw exercise 2.3. We will continue that exercise in today's class. See here, the 12th question tells that sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we will see the solution of this. Say given, we will write what is the given thing in this problem. Say they have given side AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. These are in proportion. This much they have given. But again, what we have to prove here? To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. Okay. Now see here, proof. See here they have given AD and PM are median. AD and PM are median. See here, if here AD is a median, means definitely BD is equal to DC. Therefore, BD is equal to DC. And PM is a median. Yes, in triangle PQR, PM is a median. What we can tell? QM is equal to and QM is equal to MR. These are equal because here AD is a median. If AD is a median, BD is equal to DC. And if PM is a median in triangle PQR, we can tell that QM is equal to MR. Okay. So now see here. Now we will take the given thing AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. See here, AB by PQ is equal to, I will do some changes here. I will take BC by 2. If I divide by 2, QR by 2 is equal to AD by PM. Now see here, AB by PQ. See what is BC by 2? BC divided by 2, if I do, this whole length BC divided by 2, can I write it as BD? Yes, is equal to BD by, what is QR by 2? QR by 2, I can write it as QM. QM is equal to AD by PM. Now see here students, what we got here? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Therefore, we can tell that these two triangles are similar by SS similarity criterion. Yes or no? We can tell that these two triangles are similar by which criteria? AA similarity criterion. See there, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. By AA similarity criteria, we can tell that these two, these two triangles are similar. So what we can write here is, therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. By which criteria? By AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. See, if these two triangles are similar means, if two triangles are similar means definitely their corresponding angles are equal. If these two triangles are similar means their angles will going to be equal. So what we can write is this implies angle B is equal to angle Q, because corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Now see what we want to actually prove. We want to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? Now see here, if angle B is equal to angle Q, okay, we got here angle B is equal to angle Q, and what we have, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now see here, we have angle B is equal to angle Q. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. By SAS similarity criteria, we can tell that these two triangles are similar. So what we can write here is, therefore by SAS similarity criterion, by SAS similarity criterion, we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, by SAS similarity we can tell that these two triangles are similar. Now see the student next question, that is 14th one. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now see here student, we will draw two triangles here. They are given, that is ABC, okay, ABC, and one more, that is PQR. Say side AB and AC and median AD of a triangle, means here median AD, okay, and in this triangle PM is the median. According to the question, we have drawn the figures. Now see here students, what they are given we will understand by seeing these figures here. Side AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. These are in proportion. These corresponding sides are in proportion they have given. That is AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to AC by PR. Okay. We have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What we have to show? These two triangles are similar. We have to prove this. Now see here, first we will write what is the given thing here. Given AB by PQ is equal to, AD is a median here, AD by PM is equal to AC by PR. This is the given thing. What we have to prove here? To prove, what we have to prove means here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove these two triangles are similar. Now see here students, To prove this, we will do construction. Okay, we will do some construction here. So what constructions means here? The triangle ABC is there and a triangle DEF is there. Okay, AD and DM. Now see here students, this is PQR, sorry, this is nothing but PQR. Now see here students, what I will do is, take a point, okay, take a point E, let us extend AD to point E such that AD and D should be equal, these two should be equal. Same thing here also, take a point or extend PM to point L such that PM should be equal to ML. Okay, afterwards we will join B to E and C to E. Here also same, we will join Q to L and R to L. Now we will write here, see here, let us extend AD to point, let us extend AD to point E, okay, such that AD is equal to DE. Let us extend AD to point E such that AD is equal to DE. Also extend PM to point L such that PM is equal to ML. Okay, such that PM is equal to ML. Afterwards, what we have done? Join BE, CE, QL and RL. We have to join that. This is nothing but the construction part. Now see here, proof. Now see here, in quadrilateral, okay, in quadrilateral ABC, BD is equal to DC. Yes or no? In quadrilateral ABC, BD is equal to DC, because AD is a median. If AD is a median, definitely BD is equal to DC. In quadrilateral ABC, BD is equal to DC and AD is equal to DE. This is by construction. AD is equal to DE. This is by construction. Say what we can tell here, BD is equal to DC and AD is equal to DE. Therefore, the diagonal bisect each other at point D. Diagonal bisect each other at point D. Say therefore, what we can tell, therefore ABC is a parallelogram, with parallelogram. Okay, ABC is a parallelogram. Therefore, what we can tell, ABC is a parallelogram and AC is equal to BE. AC is equal to BE, AB is equal to CE. Yes, ABC is a parallelogram and AC is equal to BE and AB is equal to CE. Right? Similarly, what we can tell? PQLR is a parallelogram, similarly PQLR is a parallelogram with PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to RL. Because here also PM is equal to ML and QM is equal to MR. Diagonal bisect each other, right? Diagonal bisect each other. Therefore, we can tell that PQLR is a parallelogram with PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to RL. Now, whatever we got the results, now see given. So what they given? AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to AD by PM is equal to AC by PR. Right? This was the given thing for us. Now see students, this implies AB by PQ. Okay, I will here multiply and divide by 2AD by 2PM is equal to, say in place of AC what I can write? In place of AC I can write BE. Okay, what I can write? In place of AC I can write BE. Yes or no? In place of AC I can write BE. PR. In place of PR what I can write? QL. In place of PR I can write it as QL. So this implies AB by PQ is equal to, say 2 times of AD. So this length and this length are equal. 2 times of AD means it will become AE. Yes, AE by 2 times of PM means it will become PL. PL by BE by QL. Now see here students, AB by PQ is equal to AE by PL is equal to BE by QL. Therefore, we can tell that these two triangles are similar. Yes or no? Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL. Yes? By SS similarity by SS similarity criterion. See, if these two triangles are similar, what we can tell? If these two triangles are similar, definitely their corresponding angles will going to be equal. So this implies angle BAE is equal to QPL. Angle QPL. See here, because corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Yes or no? Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. See here, Now we got to know that these two triangles are similar. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, definitely their corresponding angles will also be going to be equal. That is, angle BAE is equal to angle QPL. Okay, similarly we can call this as equation number 1. So similarly we can prove that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRL. We can show these two triangles are also similar. Triangle PRL. If these two triangles are similar, definitely their corresponding angles will going to be equal. So this implies angle CAE is equal to angle RPL. Because corresponding angles are equal. Yes or no? Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. So call this as equation number 2. So now we are going to add that two equations. See here, adding equation 1 and 2. If we add equation 1 and 2, what we will see here? Angle BAE plus LHS you add, angle CAE is equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL. So this implies here BAE plus CAE is nothing but angle ABC is equal to angle QPL. See, angle QPL is plus angle RPL. This will become a angle QPR. Okay, angle QPR, or you can write it as it is nothing but angle PQR. Okay, see here, angle BAE plus angle CAE. This half, it will become a full triangle, that is ABC. And now see here, QPL, this half and RPL, half will become a full triangle, that is PQR. Okay, now what we have got here? Triangle B, otherwise you can write it as, see here, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR. Okay, these two angles we got it as same. So now see here, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have to prove these two triangles are similar. We want to prove these two triangles are similar. Now see here, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR from above. Okay, actually we want to prove these two triangles now. We want to prove these two triangles are similar. Now we got these angles are equal. One angle we got. We know that they are given in question AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This is nothing but given. See here, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, and here angle is included. Therefore, we can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criterion. So we can tell that these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity of triangles. Now see, the 16th question tells that if AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC, means definitely we have to draw here two triangles. See here, ABC and one more triangle PQR. Okay, here these are two triangles. See here, AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC, means AD is a median of triangle ABC and PM is a median of triangle PQR. Here they are given PM is a median. Okay. Respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. They have given. What we have to show means, what we have to prove means, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. We have to show that these two sides are in proportion. Now see here, given what they have given, we will write the given things whatever they have given. So they have given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They are given these two triangles are similar. So what we have to prove? To prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Okay, they have given this. See here, proof. See here, when two triangles are similar, definitely their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay, the corresponding sides are in same ratio and the corresponding angles are also equal. Yes or no? We have learnt in earlier classes. If two triangles are similar, means definitely their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we will write here, given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we know that corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. You know that corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. That is, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Yes or no? If in a question, if they are given, if these two triangles are similar, you have to remember 2 points. If two triangles are similar means corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So also corresponding sides are in proportion in similar triangles. in similar triangles. Okay, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Okay. Now see here corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or we can tell it is in proportion. Okay. Now we can write here, see here, since AD and PM are medians. Yes or no? If AD and PM are medians means definitely here BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. Now say we will call this as equation 1 and for these all 2. Now see here, from 2 AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay. Now see here, AB by PQ is equal to, I will divide this by 2, BC by 2, QR by 2. Now I will draw once again the triangles ABC and PQR. Here AD is a median in this triangle and here PM is a median. Now see here, BC divided by 2 means here BD is equal to DC because AD is a median, right? BD is equal to DC. What is BC by 2? BC by 2, can I write it as BD? AB by PQ is equal to, in place of BC by 2 I can write it as BD. What about QR divided by 2? It will be QM. Okay. Now see here, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, what we can write? Angle B is equal to angle Q, right? That is from 1. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Again, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. From above, we have proved this, right? From above. Now see students, angle B is equal to angle Q. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Here angle B is included between the sides and angle Q is also included between the two sides. We can tell that by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Yes? What we can tell means by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. So therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar means definitely what we can tell? Their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. That is, this implies AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Hence prove. So this only we want to prove, no, that is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Okay, next class we are going to see areas of similar triangle. This completes your here exercise 2.3. Okay, we will see in the next class. Thank you.